Drupal is a highly respected and powerful open-source content management system, CMS, ideal for building complex, feature-rich websites and applications. With its focus on flexibility and scalability, Drupal needs a hosting environment that can match its capabilities. Let's dive into the advantages and disadvantages of Drupal-focused hosting. Pros: performance optimization. Many Drupal hosting providers tailor their configurations for the CMS's specific demands. This means your site is likely to benefit from faster load times and better overall responsiveness. Drupal expertise. Dedicated Drupal hosts usually have staff familiar with the platform. This translates to quicker, more focused support when you encounter Drupal-related issues or need guidance. Security focus. Due to its prominence, Drupal sites can be targets for attacks. Drupal hosts often implement extra security measures designed to protect your project and maintain stability. Scalability. If your project anticipates significant growth, Drupal optimized hosting can smoothly handle increases in traffic and data without significant performance declines. Developer-friendly features. These hosts may provide tools like Git integration, command line access, SSH, staging environments, and other features appreciated by developers working with Drupal. Cons. Cost. Specialized Drupal hosting can be more expensive than generic, shared hosting plans. This is often a trade-off for the focused optimization and support you receive. Technical knowledge. While many Drupal hosts offer user-friendly interfaces, some familiarity with the CMS and web hosting concepts is beneficial to get the most out of the platform. Less flexibility, sometimes. Some optimized Drupal hosts may have restrictions on things like the modules or specific configurations you can use, intending to maintain platform stability and security. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.